Yes, well, a dry start for some of us this morning, but some high cloud around, a beautiful start to the day, stunning sunrise. A little further south, there was some patchy rainfall, some thicker cloud, but overall the rainfall hasn't amounted to very much, but it certainly is a change in pace and pattern. It's been quite a while since we've had any rainfall or showers around, but this is the radar from this afternoon. This was this morning's rainfall, now out in the Channel, and you can see just a couple of showers developed into the afternoon before fading away just as we lost that heat of the day. As we head through the rest of this evening, then we're expecting it to stay dry, a little breezy, but by tomorrow morning, a very weak weather front pushes in from the north. Now there is a little bit of rainfall on this, again, not amounting to very much, but temperatures holding up at around 8 or 9 degrees Celsius. Now through Thursday, this cloud and rain will slowly sink its way south, but by the morning most of it's cleared away. It breaks up in fragments, so even if you do get caught in some rainfall, it's not going to amount to a huge amount. Lots of sunshine then into the afternoon, maximum temperatures of around 16 degrees Celsius. Now here are your times of high water on Thursday at Clacton, 8 a.m. in the morning, and then again at 8:10 tomorrow evening. But from Thursday into Friday, high pressure largely in charge of the weather, but what you will notice is out to the west, we have some weather fronts approaching the British Isles. It's been a long time since they came close enough to actually provide some rainfall for us, so we're in for a change of pace in the weather as we head into the bank holiday weekend. However, for most of Friday, it still stays dry, it's fine, good spells of sunshine around, and in the sunshine, temperatures not faring too bad, maximum temperatures of around 18 degrees Celsius. Then as we head into the bank holiday weekend, well, there are going to be some showers around. Well, for many of us this morning, there was some good spells of sunshine around first thing, just a little bit of high cloud around. A bit further south, there was thicker clouds with a little bit of patchy light rain, but into the afternoon, most of us just saw some blue sky and one or two isolated showers popped up here and there. And this is the radar sequence from this afternoon. You'll notice just one or two showers developing in the heat of the day, but over the next few hours, any showers are going to fade. But as we head through this evening and overnight, initially it's dry, but by tomorrow morning, a very weak weather front pushes in from the northeast. Now there's a fair amount of cloud around with this, a little bit of patchy light rain and drizzle, and temperatures dropping back to around 7 or 8 degrees Celsius. But very first thing this morning, that rainfall is expected to be close to the wash. Now through Thursday morning, that cloud and rain is going to sink its way southwards. It continues to break up in fragments, so not everybody's going to see some rainfall. And even if you do, we're not expecting it to amount to very much. But into the afternoon, some sunshine then breaking through and maximum temperatures getting up to around 16 degrees Celsius. It is a little below average for the time of year. Now from Thursday into Friday, high pressure largely in charge of the weather, still a little breezy at times, but you may notice behind me out to the west, some weather fronts very slowly but surely starting to make some inroads eastwards, and it's been a long time since we've had weather fronts come close to the British Isles, so we are in for something a little bit changeable as we head into the bank holiday weekend. But as for Friday, a fine dry start to the day, lots of sunshine around, and in the sunshine temperatures should easily get up to around 19 degrees Celsius. But into the weekend, there'll be some showers. They're hit and miss, so not everyone's going to see them, but they certainly are in the forecast. It'll feel a little warmer as well, with maximum temperatures of 20 degrees.